Good morning, YouTubers. Y'all get up out that bed, watch your face, grab your coffee, grab you a little bit of breakfast, sit down and watch this video. Today gonna be a good day. I can feel it. It feel good outside. You guys are gonna hear some background noises because I have my garage doors open this morning, so you might hear different stuff going on. Let me start by saying my channel was based off of General Motor vehicles only. Um, it was supposed to be unboxing and the progress on different builds that I'm doing. I'm working on at the time. Um, I love General Motors. I was raised about General Motors. General Motors is the only thing I know. General Motors and AC Delco. That's it. That's all I know. So, but as I got further into building, I started looking at other kits, and I see other kits that people build, and this Mustang for sure draw my attention to box art on it, which is I think I'm going to paint this car the same. I'm going to mock this box art. So, and that's how I ended up also with the '69 and the '70 Plymouth because of the box art. Um, and I have ideas for them already. I don't know when I'm gonna start them, but anyway, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing video on this Mustang. And of course, I've already opened it. Y'all know that. To save us some time, apparently this Mustang has a 302 in it. I don't know much about Mustangs, and this is a level 4 kit too by Revell. Yeah, that's a nice car. If I can find the right color yellow to paint it, I want to do so. If I can find the right color. Sometimes it's hard finding the colors that I want. All right, let's dig into it right quick. Got these tires first. See if I can make a little room. All right, so we got a set of Firestone tires, and these tires look very familiar. I think the Chevelle, white Chevelle. I think that Chevelle has a set of these on it, and another kit that I opened up had the same tires. It might be the Impala. I'm not sure, but Firestone. It's always a plus when you can get white leather tires and white wall tires, because I don't be wanting to stencil. Oh, let's see what this is. Front bumper. It fell out. I guess they want to get painted first. I might just spray him first. Front bumper. All right, y'all. '69 Mustang 302. The Boss 302. Did I say that right? Let me see. I don't know much about Mustang. Boss 302. Excuse me. 1969 Boss 302. You got the door handles and have a battery here. This little car look like it would have boot Scoot and Boogie when it's on the highway, huh? All right, so we got a hood, and here's that engine and transmission. I don't know what these parts. I can't identify these parts off the top. Looks like it has something to do with the. I don't know. I'm not gonna even put it out there like that because I don't know. I'm not familiar with this car. Like a fan guard, and here's your subframe, and here's your dash. I already have the like the wheels just gonna snap on, so that's cool. I don't like them when they come with the little the pegs you have to insert. I don't like that. And I'm guessing the rear comes with the rear might be the same way. I don't know. Let's see. Let's keep going. We'll find out. Alright, so here's our interior with the console, back seats, and it has a manual transmission setup. So there your clutch, brake, and accelerator. Here's your exhaust system. I have no idea what these are. Let's see what else we have on here. What is that? I don't know. Alright. Oh yeah, we have our front seats. Alright. Let's move along. We have our windshield, rear window with the quarter windows and windshield. We have 4 headlights here. Alright, we have our grill with the Mustang inside of it with the headlights. Mustang. I believe, I don't know what this is. I might be wrong. I don't know. I'm not going to even call it because I don't know. I'll see later on down the line. These look like hood hinges. It's birds out this morning, y'all. I haven't heard a bird chirp in so long because it's been so hot. Alright, here's your rear spoiler. It's a little cool. It ain't cool, but it's not hot right now. So, I'm enjoying it. Here's our tail lights. And here's our steering wheel and our wheel backs, radiator, mirrors. Hey, look. I don't know if I said it before. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already know, but I'm going to say it anyway. Once you sand your body down, when you have mirrors like this, don't attach the mirrors before you paint, because if you don't, it's gonna be hell trying to get them to stick to the paint once they're painted. So go ahead and stick them on before. I have to tell myself that all the time. Here's your brake master cylinder. Looks like we have shocks right here. Looks like. Yeah, go ahead and stick the mirrors on before you paint. Alright, so we got engine parts here. We got another engine too. Okay, so we have our intake, cooling hose, belt and pulley assembly. We have an engine part here. I can't make out what it is just yet. This looks like a carburetor, and I don't know what that is. It just looks like it may be an oil filter. We got a header here. It looks like your timing chain cover. And we have another engine. I wonder what's the deal with that. We got an oil pan. Maybe 2 different sizes. Mustang, your back bumper with the tail lights assembly. Header. We have that rear window flare vent deal. I don't know the proper name for it. I never like these on cars, so I might not even use it. You have a fan here, and we have some heads here, breather. Yeah, so this car has two different engines. The box didn't say that it was a 2-in-1 kit. It's probably not. It's probably just giving another engine option. We have our rear bumper, and I believe this goes on the front. And I have no idea what these are, but I will update and let you guys know once I start building. This is going to be my next build. I know I said I wasn't going to build no more until I figure out what to do with everything I have built, because I don't have nowhere to store them. But I started on that Cadillac. I might store in my dehydrator for now. I got enough room in my dehydrator. So, all right. So here's our stock wheels, and these wheels they look similar to. Well, no, these has holes in it. A lot of my paint, like the GTO and the Wildcat, they had similar wheels, but they didn't have the holes. These had holes to it. So we got some valve covers here. What does it say in it? Look like it says. Come on, focus. Powered by Ford. And we have another set of valve covers here. That said 4. What said 402? Man, I can't see this, y'all. Let's see. A 4 or something. That says 420 Cobra Jet. Yeah, 420 Cobra Jet. So I'm guessing one engine is a 302 and the other one is a 420, maybe. Y'all comment, let me know. Looks like we have an alternator here, and we have our license plate frames. And a few more other chrome parts here. Look like a rearview mirror here. Yeah, so you guys excuse me because I can't identify all the parts. Don't y'all talk about me. Okay. Decal sheet. We have Illinois. Shout out to my people in Illinois. Also, I have a lot of Illinois plates, so that I'm not going to use. So I also have some Kentucky plates. If anybody is interested in them, just let me know. I'll cut about and send them to you, because I never use them. What's the use of hanging on to them if I'm not going to use them? So, and I also have some Michigan plates. I got to figure out which kit they're in. This Boss 302, I'm going to use it. We have Motorcraft decal. We have here engine bay decals. I think these are for the wheels. We have our wood grain bezels. Yeah, I'm going to use all these. We have our clusters, and these are for the lights. I believe the trunk, door panels. Yeah, I want to use all these decals. Let's run through the instructions right quick. I'm at for almost 15 minutes, y'all. Ain't gonna hold y'all that long. I know y'all got stuff to do today, and so do I. Today's gonna be a good day. I can feel it. I'm not gonna let nobody tell me otherwise. There's our engine set up. Yeah, I never. I'm going to possibly buy a few more parts to build, and definitely going to buy some more Mustang to build. When I first started my intention was to never get this deep into it. I was only gonna build my favorite car in 4 different colors, and that was it. And look where I am now. I've started a YouTube channel, and I have all these different builds I've done. So, and I enjoy doing it. I really enjoy building. I enjoy watching you guys' videos too, seeing different stuff, getting different ideas. And believe it or not, when I go to sleep, I'll be thinking about what can I do to the next car or the car that I'm working on. And when I wake up, it's the same thing. So I never thought I'd be this attached to it, and I enjoy it because I get to make the cars look realistic. Excuse me. I enjoy it because I like to make the cars look realistic. I just get a kick out of it. I'm like, man, this car looks real. Like this cat. It's kind of like I'm not done. I'm waiting for parts to come in. I don't know if I've already mentioned it or not, but yeah, I'm waiting for a few parts to come in for it, so I can go ahead and complete it. I may try using that bare metal foil. I see a lot of people using it. I don't think I have the patience for it, but when you're building, you have to have the patience. So I'm gonna try it because I need it. I'm supposed to have it down here, but on the next build, on the next Cadillac I may try the bare metal foil, but this called the special project that I'm working on. So that's gonna be one of my ones I put in a case when I'm done with it. I can't wait to show it to you, show it to y'all. So yeah, so that's it for that. I want to give a shout out to all my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. All my current subscribers, thank you guys for the likes, comments, and also I want to give a special shout out to my little viewers. My nephew Dalen and his buddy Sean, they're teammates over in Ohio. So shout out to them for viewing. Also my 2 cousins over in Dallas, Kason and Caleb. I call them Boss and Ben 10. I need to call them. Well, no, they probably at school right now. I'll talk to them later. But and my daughter, shout out to her. She's gonna be mad because she wasn't part of this video, but that's my special guest. She do my packaging, opening my packages for me. I'll probably get her in on the next unboxing videos I do. All right, y'all. So I'm wrapping it up. I hope everybody have a good day. It's gonna be a good day for me because I can feel it, and like I said, I'm not gonna let nobody tell me different. So y'all get out there and get it, because I'm finna get out there and get it, and that's it, and that's all. And I'll see y'all next time.